Hi, welcome back to the Django framework tutorial. In this session, I will talk about class-based view. So continuation of the last video where we are implemented get and post request. Now in this video, I will talk about put and delete request, how we are going to process using class-based view. So I'll add one more class which will take care of put and delete request. So go ahead with the another class coder detail, and here I'm going to pass the parameter API view. So under that class, we are going to create a different method. So first of all, I'm getting the record. So self request and along with the primary. So this function will similar as implemented in the above class. So I'll copy this content and paste it here. I'll explain it. So under the get, we are taking the specific request. So to taking the specific request, instead of all record, I'm expecting to get the specific record. So primary key parameter we are going to pass. Once that object is get, we don't want all the data. We just expecting a single object data. Serializer will hold that a single record, and that is going to be written as a response. So hope you understand that how I get the single record using this class. Now next method here, I'm going to use this put. Definition of the parameter is self request and primary key. Now I'll scroll down a little bit and copy the content of this put request. So here the content is there. I just copied this content and I'll paste it inside this method. First uncomment the data, and now I'll explain it. So here first object C will hold the specific record, then serializer variable hold the coder details of that requested data. If it is valid, it is going to be saved. If it is not valid, then it will return the error. So this is all about the put request. And afterwards, we are going to write a delete method. So definition of delete, having the parameter is self request and primary key. The same code again copied from the function based view, which is just a 3 line of code. I'll paste it here and comment that code. So here first we get the specific coder details. Once we get the data, then we are going to delete by using simply delete method, and finally it will return a status. As I said, we can create a customized error or we can create a status error as a web response. So this is the implementation of class coder details. So we need to modify the URL pattern. So go under the url.py, and here I'm going to add the coder details. So I'll uncomment this particular line, and we need to modify coder details as a class based view. So dot as underscore view, so that it will get easily access. So now here I implemented two methods. First one is put and other one is delete. So we can modify the record, we can delete the record by using class based view. Now we'll go back to the browser to verify the output. Now I'm going to run the URL, and here I'm expecting the coder data with the specific record I'm expecting. So I'm accessing the 6th record. Yes, 6th record is there, and you can find we can do the get, put and delete request. So delete method is also possible and put method is also possible. So I just copied the content and modified the details and paste it here. I don't want to modify the ID as a unique key. I just replace the name of Sachin with Raju. Experience instead of 12, here I'm putting the 4 year, and instead of .NET here I'm writing the Java. So this modification I made in this record, and I just post it. You can find the record is get updated, and I'll get the details whatever the record I modified. So 6 record is get modified with the specific information. Now I want to delete this record. So I'm just click on the delete, and I want to delete this record. So once I delete it, it is get accepted request, and there is no content of this record ID 6. So hope you understand that how the class based view and functions view are work. So till this point, the serializer, function based view and class based view is completely explained. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. I'll be more happy to give the solution of your Thanks for watching this video.